What is Christmas without socks? It's not Christmas for me. It came with a little bit of drama. The box was open. I tell you what, my room is going to smell absolutely divine. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today and Happy New Year! I'm filming this on 12th night, so all of this is coming down after I've filmed this video, but I thought we would go through what I got for Christmas, and I've got quite an array of things. We've got makeup, clothes, tech stuff, and a little bit of luxury in the form of Gucci. So we will get into it, but first off I wanted to say a massive thank you for everyone who joined us for Vlogmas. And yes, I am aware it's been a week or so since I put a video out, but after being on the camera all through Vlogmas, it was time to put it down and have a tiny little break. I am not one for running away from whatever it is we're doing on Christmas Day to film what I got for Christmas and then put it out on Boxing Day or anything. I would much rather take that time and just enjoy Christmas Day and Boxing Day, and then getting into that weird kind of what day is it kind of confusion between Christmas and New Year. This is what I got for Christmas 2024. This isn't everything I got for Christmas 2024 because a couple of family things had to be rescheduled due to illness. There was an awful lot going around. So that is going to happen later on in January. Otherwise, we will get into it. The first thing I got is just the cutest little thing. And it was from my nail tech who did these fabulous nails, which I'm going to have to get replaced next week sometime. She found and gave to me as a little Christmas present this tiny little bag, full on TB, even with its own little twilly on it, and inside we've got like a little hand cream, a little lip balm, and a tiny little candy cane as well. So that was from my nail tech. Thank you, Kirsty. That's a very, very thoughtful little gift. And my lovely friend April of April's House of Flair sent some goodies as well. She sent this loose tea, and it's an organic tea blended with butterfly pea flowers, lemon verbena and lemongrass. Very, very excited to try that. And to go with the tea, there's these 3 chocolates, sets of chocolates. We've got Andy and blueberry, we've got chili and lemon balm and cacao nibs. Yummy. I love a little treaty treat me. And she also sent, which I think is absolutely hilarious, this is a scented candle, and it is Dirty Santa, and he's getting a spanking there. It's a plant-based bougie perfume. The packet says it is smoky, woody and spicy. Lovely masculine smell. I love a scented candle. So thank you, April, for those really thoughtful gifts. And now I'm going to show you what the babies got for me, what Daisy and Lily got for me. Lily got me, she knows that I'm obsessed with card holders. She got me this Oliver bonus, pale pink with this kind of orangey red detail, and you can see I'm already in it. The main reason she got this for me is because she is on the front of it. How cute is that? Daisy took a slightly different route for my Christmas present, and she got me this t-shirt that says, "This cat is the proud owner of the person wearing this t-shirt," and it's a lovely, lovely cute picture of Daisy on it. I have tried this on. It fits perfectly, so styled by Daisy. And if that wasn't enough Daisy and Lily action, the lion got these socks printed for me with pictures of Daisy and Lily on them. Now, the idea is fantastic. Personalised socks. The execution, not so good. The fabric is really quite uncomfortable. But as a novelty gift, they are absolutely fantastic. And I did wear these on Christmas Day. Sticking with the cat theme, in my Christmas stocking, the lion gave me a set of cat head clips to be used in the kitchen or wherever you wish. They're like little clippy clips. There we go. And there was a set of 8. I picked these 2 out to show you because they most look like Daisy and Lily. The lion also gave me this little trinket tray in the shape of a shell. It's really, just really, really cute. I have got a hanging jewellery holder, but the tray at the bottom of it is quite shallow and I'm always worried about things popping out. So this is going to sit in the bottom of that tray and hold all those little bits that can't hang up on the actual hanger bits. And if you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. If you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am so out of practice after Vlogmas, it's untrue. The Lion got me a couple of refills of my favourite products. That is the Benefit They're Real Mascara and the 24-hour brow setter for keeping, it's like a gel that keeps your eyebrows and sets them in place once you've shaped them and everything. This I've been using for donkey's years. This I didn't know existed until Dale mentioned it in one of her videos. Absolute game changer if, like me, you have unruly eyebrows. So thank you once again, Dale, for letting me know that this product existed. While the Lion was getting me those Benefit products, he spotted this set. This is the Porefessional, I think it is, Pore Routine Roundup. So it's a moisturiser, cleanser and a toner. My biggest skin worry is that I've got really big pores, especially on my schnoz. So looking forward to seeing if that's going to help. And then to go with that is this all-in-one mask wand. It's got these different things. You've got a sort of a little spatula end there. You've got this end which is quite shallow and then this end that's quite wavy. So I think it's to put the products on and then maybe... Sticking with makeup, the Lion's eldest got me this from Victoria Beckham, and you know I love Victoria Beckham eyeliner, and this is the Satin Kajal liner and this one is in the colour Orchid. So if you can see on the side the colour of the pencil. I love these pencils. I think they're absolutely brilliant. They're great for a smudgy eye. They're not so great for precision because they're really, really soft. I like that they always come with one of these bags. It came with its own little pencil sharpener. I mentioned I like a smelly candle and the Lion picked up these two things for me. We've got a diffuser. This is Kinfolk. This is a small independently owned business, like a one-man band little business. They had a pop-up in the John Lewis in Ipswich when we popped in there a couple of days after Christmas, couple of days before Christmas. I can't actually remember. It's all been a bit of a blur if I'm honest. And this is in the scent Wild Rhubarb. We've got one of these downstairs in the Snug. It's not the same flavour, but it's really, really delicious. And I've also got a candle which comes in this little pouch. I will have them linked down below. I'm not sure if they would ship internationally, but oh, the scents are just so nice. This is Hibiscus Fall. It's a tropical and fruity, top notes of coconut and guava, and this did kind of remind me of like a little pina colada, sunbathing by the pool type thing. But what I found really interesting in these candles is they've got this like little wooden wick. I've not seen that before, but apparently it's really good for burning. So these two are going to stay up here in my handbag room of dreams to keep me freshly scented throughout the day. Always good to support smaller businesses as well. I got another scented candle. This was actually on my wish list and it is Black Cedar and Fig by Paddy Wax. I've not heard of this brand before, but the packaging is rather cute, is it not? And that's the jar that the candle comes in. It's this green background with a pink tiger on it and got its classic standard little rope wick in there. Another really, really sexy scent. I tell you what, my room is going to smell absolutely divine. So that candle was from the Lion's youngest. I say youngest, he's 30 this year. And he also got me this silver belt from Marks and Sparks that was on my wish list. It's this kind of ropey, kind of woven in silver with a little silver buckle on it there. Really wanted a not black, not dark coloured belt. I also like that this doesn't have prescripted holes in it. You just poke through the weave wherever you actually want to have it. So it's size friendly. This is a size large and that's big enough for me. The Lion also got me some things to watch in my downtime. I've got these two Walking Dead spin-offs. We've got the Daryl Dixon, everyone's favourite. Daryl, absolute legend. And then we've got the spin-off with Negan and Maggie, the unexpected team up, so excited to watch those. I'm also a massive Stephen King fan, but there are a couple of books that I've not read that are quite old that I probably should have read. I say quite old, really old, that I should have read by now, and they've both had adaptations, and that's Salem's Lot and The Shawshank Redemption. I don't know why I have not watched or read these yet. So he's got me these to watch, but in true fashion for me, I have to read the books first. So they will be next up on my reading list, and then I'll get to watch these. I've got a couple of little techie things from the Lion to go with the Insta360 camera we got before we went to New York. It's been really, really fun to use. There's this quick reader that you can connect, I think, to your mobile phone, and you can download the footage to your mobile phone. You have to use the specific cable to connect it to your PC or laptop, the Insta360 device itself. I haven't found it a couple of times. It's been a bit of a stress, so this should make things a little bit easier for transferring the actual footage. And then he got me this carry case. I was keeping the bits all together in a little Fendi dust bag, a mini dust bag, and then just chucking it in my Louis Vuitton packing cube MM. But this is a proper travel case for all the bits, so they're not going to bounce off each other. They're not all going to like bump into each other and potentially get damaged. It's a carry case, and there's a place for everything in there. So this will be a good way for me to keep everything together while I'm at home, including that little cable, that special little cable that tends to go walkies. I've got some clothing bits, and then we'll come to that Gucci piece. What is Christmas without socks? It's not Christmas for me. Mother-in-law gave me this set of 3 Benetton socks. I wonder why she got these for me. Pink and green, and a nice little sort of mild grey there. So these are quite thick socks, probably more for wearing with trainers. These feel absolutely amazing, and they've also got the little bit here that means the kind of little stretchy bit across the middle of the foot, which means they shouldn't move around too much. And the mother-in-law is always excellent at choosing loungewear stuff, so she's picked up this set of pyjamas for me, DKNY, with these little kisses all over them, little lipstick kisses. Set of pyjamas, super soft. Super soft. There has to be a transition at some point between the Christmas themed PJs and normal life. And I think these will be the perfect transition pieces. A couple more clothing pieces from the Lion, and the first one is this. This is a sort of long shirt mini dress. This is from Never Fully Dressed, rapidly becoming one of my favourite clothing brands, and it's got this gorgeous embroidery detail down the front here and on the sleeves. This is a hugely flattering cut on me as well, and I have worn this. I wore this on New Year's Day for our bestie's birthday lunch, and you may be able to tell from some of the embroidery pieces on here, this is the same brand that I got my shirt from, with all the gorgeous printing on it. So Never Fully Dressed, and they do a great size range. I think this went up to a size UK 26 or 24 or something, so they're very size inclusive. I had a few other things on my wish list from Never Fully Dressed, but they were out of stock, so if you see them, move fast, because it looks like they're very, very popular. I'm very excited about this one, and I have worn this already out and about with the kids over Christmas, because the Lion got me the bomber jacket from M&S. This is the one that I tried on in the vlog some time ago, back in, I think it was either October or November. I loved it. I was worried about this bit getting a little bit pink stainy. That was my biggest worry about going for something like this. Also, it's quite big and it's quite chunky, and so am I, so I didn't really feel like I needed the extra padding, if you like, but yeah, this is great. It's gorgeous. It's really nice and warm and cozy. I wore it for a little run out on the beach, and after saying I wasn't allowed any more coats because I've got too many, you can't have too many coats, the Lion got this for me, and it was a really, really lovely surprise. And the last thing that I got for Christmas, and the big ticket item, is Not in this bag because I've already taken it out of this bag, but it's from Gucci, and it came with a little bit of drama. We ordered it from Harrods. I was able to order it over the phone. They sent me a payment link and then they shipped it out to us. But the box was open when it got to us. So I filmed going into the box for the first time, although, you know, I knew what this was. We'd already agreed what this was going to be, my big Christmas present from the line. So this is how it arrived. The sticky... Okay. Ribbons off it. Well, open it. Make sure it's in there. I know what it is, just take it out. I want to make sure everything is okay. The box was open. My heart was like, oh, the box is open. It looked like this box was open as well. This is what it came in. So it was all padded out with tissue paper and everything, but it was open. We've got the shopping bag and it came in this beautiful, beautiful box here. And it had this beautiful ribbon, and it came in this beautiful dust bag. So that's all the packaging, but what was in it? This wasn't planned, the pink in the pink. Currently it's on my little mini tote bag from Marc Jacobs, and it is this bag charm. It is this pussycat bag charm on a burgundy leather strap, so it's not a clippy on bag charm. It's got the Gucci Supreme print on the back there, and the gorgeous pink ears, beautiful eyes, and just check out, this little schnoz is in the shape of a heart. If you are actually new to my channel, you may have gathered that I love cats with some of my prezzies here. And this little cutie, I'd spotted it a few months ago and I thought, I don't need another bag charm. None of us needs another bag charm. And then I thought, well, it's burgundy. I don't have anything to go with it. I don't have a Gucci bag in Supreme canvas, although maybe 2025 wish list. There might be something along those lines on there. And then I thought, I'm okay putting it on a non-Gucci bag because it is so darned cute. And so, yeah, she's been gracing my mini totes. She's absolutely adorable. I have absolutely no regrets for asking for this piece for my big ticket item for Christmas 2024. I've still got some family to see and some gifts to exchange with them. I'm planning on doing a little bit of shopping in the sales, so I might put those prezzies I get in there with a little January sales shopping haul video, if that all comes together. This is going to take a bit of editing, but it's probably still going to be quite a long video, so I'm sorry about that, but congratulations if you're still here at this point, and if you are, pop a cheeky little cat face in the comment section, just so I know that you stuck with me to the bitter end to see and meet this little kitty cutie. And yeah, until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, then please stay safe. Happy New Year again. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.